Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we're going to take a look at Australia's most technologically advanced and superior trading platform, Iris Viewpoint. I know a lot of you are coming to this video trading on Viewpoint for the very first time. Whether you're a first-time trader or you've just been booted off Australia's second best trading platform, Iris Trader, this video here is going to help you find the best functionality on this software in order for you to get started on your trading journey. So first things first, Iris Viewpoint is a web-based trading platform. And I know what you're thinking, that you need execution speed, but don't you worry, Iris is a monopoly and they know best. So let's start with a piece of functionality that everyone has right from the get-go. At the top middle of the screen, we have a dock, and if you click on that, we can see perhaps the least distracting screen on Viewpoint. That is the quote ticker and the news ticker. And this is by far the best way to absorb this kind of information, is just staring at these two tickers all day long until you see the actual information that you want, and hopefully the stock hasn't run without you. Now, inside sources tell me that these two tickers were developed by an intern with an intellectual disability. I'm all for diversity hire, so I think this is a fantastic implementation in Viewpoint. The next thing we're going to take a look at is how to set up charts on your screen. We're going to select divide your screen 2 by 2, click on the plus sign and type in charts. And then click OK. We're going to look up a stock ticker, let's say TPG, and hit enter. Let's take a look at a different time frame, let's say the daily chart, click on 1 day, and then go make a cup of coffee, as this takes about 5 minutes to load. Then when you get back to your screen and you want to change again to a different time frame, let's say the 2-minute chart, go make another cup of coffee because it's going to take quite some time. Now, if you have multiple monitors and you want to detach this window and have it as a floating chart, just in the top right corner of your widget, click this button here that says Detach Widget. Wait a few seconds for the pop-up to arrive. And when it does, we're going to start a timer and see how long it takes to load. Okay, we'll try one more time. Well, maybe you just probably shouldn't be using multiple monitors, as we'll see in the next widget. Now, without a doubt, one of the best features of Iris Viewpoint is the fact that you no longer need multiple monitors. Long gone are the days of having 2, 4, 6, or even 8 monitors to trade, when you just need one monitor and multiple tabs. And if that wasn't good enough for you, there are tabs inside of tabs. This is a technology called Tabception, developed for traders by traders. The next widget we're going to take a look at is extremely helpful. It's click on Add a Widget, go to Media, select AusBiz, and just watch some old dude talk about the markets. Definitely a functionality that every trading platform should have. It's not distracting, it's definitely relevant, and shouldn't belong on something like YouTube at all. Now, you might be feeling a little bit lazy and you don't want to set up your own screen. Just click on Add a Template, and we can have a template pre-made for us. Don't mind these really standard level templates that should have existed a long time ago. They're coming soon, so they should be out in the next 5 years. Another popular tool, especially amongst day traders, is the depth histogram. We go to Add Widget, click on Depth Histogram, click OK, type in the ticker, and what we end up with is a Wish.com version of Spark Iguana 2.